So here you can see we are having a Java file open. So I have created already a Java file by name basic.java. So it is as it is Java file, we are having the extension .java. So as soon as we create in this IDE, that is Eclipse IDE, the Java file, the file name will be basic.java, and by default it will create this structure. So while creating a file, we can choose the class name. So the class here by default is created as basic, same as the file name, and the package basic.example will get created by default as soon as we create the class. So this basic.example will be nothing but the project name, or we can change it after we create the project. So I have created project and then I have changed it. So which you can see all these details in the Project Explorer or Package Explorer. So when you open Project Explorer by going to this Windows option, you can see here that I have created test_1 project in which the package here is basic.example. So actually the same name package got created first, but later I renamed it to basic.example. You can select the package name also while creating the file or class in this project. So if you want to add any class to this project, you can just right click on the project, or you can right click on the package. So I am now right clicking on the package, and you can select new and then class option. So when I select class option, you can see here you are getting here package basic.example. So as it is already there in the project, it is showing you this package. You can change the package also. If you change this name, like for now, I will be taking basic.example_1, let's say. So in a new package, it gets created, the class. So class name, I will be giving like A, and click on finish. Just for example, I'm creating this class. So now you can see the class got created and it is in a different package, basic.example_1. And basic.java is in basic.example. So now what we will be saying is, so in this Java program, we will be seeing how to use the function or member function or data member from other class into the class from current package. So like I will be using the A class members, which is from different package, into the current package. So members from different package, how can we use in this present class, we will be seeing. So let's see that. So now in A class, which is in different package example_1, I am here creating a data member. So I will show you the difference. What will be the difference when it is in same package and in other package. So here in different package, I am taking int ID. So I'm not giving any value for now. Similarly, in the same package that is basic.java, let's create one more class. So I am here again creating a new class by name A. A already there. So here let's take X. So X I'm taking as the class name and finish. So X is the class which is present in basic.example. A is the class which is present in basic.example_1. That is in other package. So now in X, I will be taking a data member int marks. So I want to assign value to this marks and also to the ID. So you know ID is present in different package class, whereas marks is present in the same package class. So here first I will be accessing marks is ID is present in different, marks is present in same. So first I will be accessing marks. So for accessing marks, we need to create in the main method object for the X class. So X class object I'm creating here, you can see. And then using this X class object, I will be accessing marks. So like this. and let's assign value 90. So we are able to access marks. And also let's print it using system.out.println. So if I print obj.marks, then I will be getting the marks value printed on screen. So first if I execute this, then upon execution, we get 90 printed on the screen. Now, if you want to print it with a string like marks colon space colon and then so with this string if you want to print, then if I execute, I get marks is 90. Now let's print ID. So ID does not belong to package basic.example. It belongs to the package basic.example_1. So the class which is in this package. Now let's try to create a class object. So a class object I'm taking as a obj. Sorry, a underscore obj. Let's take the object name equal to new a. Already you can see some error. So here under a we got red color. A is underlined with red color. A cannot be resolved to type. That means A is not visible. We are unable to access A from this package. So in order to access this A from this package, we need to import that package in here. We need to import A from that package here. So for that, we need to write here import, import statement, import whatever is that package name. So the package name here is basic.example_1. So we need to import it. And what you want to import from this package? Class A. So here with this statement, we are importing A class. Now we can create A class object. So if it is present, if any member class or data member is present in other package, then first we need to import the class from that package into the current package or file in which you want to use. Now to access ID, so as the object name is a underscore obj dot. So you can see we did not get in suggestion ID. Again, ID is not visible. If I write it also, like ID 123 I'm assigning. If I write it also, I get an error. ID is underlined with red color and getting a ID is not visible. So as it is in some other package, if we are not declaring it as public, it is not visible to other classes of other package. So here we must declare this ID as public. Then only we will be able to access it outside the package. So outside this package, this ID will not be visible unless and until we declare it as public. So we need to declare it as public if you want to access it in basic.example. So now you can see the error has gone. ID is not underlined with red color now. So now we are able to access. Now same way using system.out.println, I will be printing ID. So I am copying this statement, pasting here, and then I will just change ID. Instead of marks, I will write ID. Instead of obj, I will write a underscore obj dot ID. So now you can see we have accessed the data member from same packages class, and we have also accessed the data member, that is ID, from the class which is present in different package. So this way we can access members of different package. So for accessing class of different package, we need to use the import statement. We need to import that class. And for accessing any data member, that data member or member function has to be public if you want to use it in different packages like in current package. So this way we can make use of multiple package in the same project of Java program.